The 1960s were about industrialization. The 1980s was about engineering. The 2000s was about technology. 2010 onwards, all great stories are based on Internet. The year 2010 saw technology environment sweeping in our lives with a small e changing the complete landscape of all environment. Marketing, socializing, commerce, communication, wallet, money and education. Henceforth began to be called e-marketing, e-socializing, e-commerce, email, e-wallet, e-money, e-learning, etc. One company could foresee all this in the year 2000, at least 10 years before anyone else could even think of. And it had the audacity to launch its idea in the largest young consumer country in the world. Welcome Dewsoft, an Indian MNC based out of New Delhi, India, and the pioneer in self-learning since the year 2000. Conceived on the platonic and sound vision of Mr. Rishi Sahdev, Mr. Rishi Sahdev believes academic education at best equips us with subject knowledge and enlightens us of our environment, rights and wrongs as per the ways of the society. Confidence, body language, persistence, the art of real conversation are skills that are absolutely different in reality. Real life for progressive people is like a suspense movie, throwing new challenges at you every day. The only way you learn to deal with it is by working under the right mentor, setting your goals, and having an action plan to work towards them. Unlike the peaceful sanctity one gets in preparing for our academic exams, real life is full of distractions. Only our unperturbed belief and focus can help us reach the levels we strive for. According to major reports, India is home to the largest young population in the world. Most of the graduates in India are unemployable. Less than 0.5% are lucky to find jobs with decent companies who hire and train freshers from college on specific skills, then using their skill set. India needs to create more than 5 million new jobs each year to keep growing economically. This puts us in a really tough spot. We need jobs for all these young and fresh minds, else India's strength of youngest population will become its biggest worry. Welcome Dewsoft once again, offering just-in-time, relevant and to-the-point learning, enhancing our knowledge with industry-recognized subject skills, making our learning experience interactive, entertaining, engaging and effective. Of Earn While You Learn program. The motto of the program is to develop different packages which identify and offer standardized quality education which is relevant to the industry required skills, easy to understand, unbiased and unequivocal, and accessible to all 24/7. Creates least anxiety to encourage maximum participation. Extremely affordable price for all ages and social and economic ethnicities. It basically meant precise content development by expert. No more lengthy, unnecessary explanations or technical jargon, introductions, just quick to the point content and expert tips and tricks. At Dewsoft, we were always interacting with our users for their feedback to improve the products. Use of digital learning will increase with time. By 2050, paper books will be extinct, to be found in libraries and personal collections. Business promotion seminars are regularly organized, facilitating product presentation to a large audience, like school, college, neighborhood, or an organized gathering. Partners experience a major upgrade in lifestyle, in the companionship of focused, disciplined, and result-oriented people and mentors, all working in line with the company's mission and vision statement. The primary use of positive, logical, and warm approach to handling situations greatly enhances negotiation and problem-solving skills, making people go-getters for life. The Virtual Campus. www.dewsoftacademy.com offers more than 200 courses to choose on computers, software, development, designing, management, self-help, language, sales and marketing, communication and presentation skill, personality development, entrepreneurship, office professionals. It is the widest bouquet of courses offered by any institution in the country. Incremental learning technology, a unique process of learning that tracks user levels and adjusts the level of difficulty automatically, enabling a smooth learning curve. A unique flagship in the industry, not offered by anyone else. Dewsoft Activity Center, your gateway to interactive puzzles, quizzes, practice tests, activities, downloadable worksheets, ebooks, workbooks to make learning entertaining and engaging. Dewsoft School. Say hello to new way of learning. Access downloadable CBSE curriculum, e-books, lesson plans, solved sample papers, support study material for higher classes, model projects. Lots to learn, lots to refer, and lots to practice and prepare for those school examinations and boards. Welcome to the new era of digital learning, paperless, environmental friendly, and accessible to you 24/7. The curriculum inculcates and enhances the basics of English language, personality development, presentation and communication skills, and self-management, and tips and tricks to find and learn from the information on the internet yourself. All mediums of distance education, self-learning books and DVDs, self-learning e-learning, training workshops. Learn on mobile phones, tabs, computers, and smart TVs. The success of the company and its partners lies on the ideology of what one man can, another can do. Be fair and equal to all. Promise what you can deliver. Learning curve is lifelong activity. Prepare oneself. Identify and build on your strengths and improve your weaknesses. Learn the right thing to do and then practice, practice, practice every day. Set your goals and visions, they give you direction. Plan your work and then work your plan. Take feedback, evaluate yourself and improve. Be honest. The only person you are cheating is you. Be humble. Humility helps us open to learning and progress. Mahatma Gandhi said, "Be the change you want to see." A true Dewsoftian lives by this ethos every day. And as Mr. Rishi Sahadev says, someone will have to do it before it gets done. Only planning and preparation will not get the work done. Actually doing it well in the field will take us on the journey to our destination. We sit here almost 20 years later. Our vision of an equal opportunity in a digital world is evolving rapidly now. To provide unequivocal, unbiased, and standardized education for all is beginning to take shape, with the governments of the world now realizing that this is the only way forward. As on 2019, Dewsoft #1 in innovation, continuous improvements, updates, transparency, leadership through excellence, and customer satisfaction. Our vision 2025 is #1 in providing education to all academic institutions in India. #1 in customer satisfaction. #1 in brand recognition, innovation and leadership through excellence. Dewsoft today enjoys an unparalleled, untarnished and sparkling brand image in a lifespan of almost 2 decades. To cut a long story short, we not only help make the students, doctors, engineers, technocrats, bankers, analysts, scientists, executives, bosses do better in person and their professional lives, we take pride in making the ordinary man extraordinaire. Give us a few years. Dewsoftians will lead this world with their knowledge, efficacy, charm, and the go-getter attitude. Together we stand strong. Together we stand first. Together we will win the world. Thank you everyone and welcome to Dewsoft. One world, one vision, one mission. Jai Dewsoft.